I just reset the trip counter, and we're going to see how many miles my regular route is. Just a normal ride, nothing crazy, just tracking the miles. And part two, I guess we'll see how quick we could do those miles. It's a beautiful 85-degree weather today. It's not really humid. So this is a little bit different. Me going the normal speed. It's killing me. So let me talk to you about counter steering. Not a lot of people know about it. If you're new to motorcycles, just been riding for a little bit, it takes a little while to figure out if nobody's ever told you. I just want to show you. So here we got my right hand here, and if I push forward on my right hand, I'm going to be like pushing it to go left, right? So the wheel would go to the left, but the bike will go to the right. So here, going straight, I just push a little bit forward. That would make it turn left, but the bike is going to go right. Same thing over here. I push it forward, make the wheel go to the right, you're going to turn left. And just push a little bit, and it'll turn the bike. That's counter steering. You only got to push a little bit, not too much. Slow and steady. Like I'm going into this turn, I'm just gonna, a little bit, oh so ever slightly am I pushing it forward on the right here. Same thing here. Left hand, pushing just oh so slightly, and it takes you right around the turn. Takes a little bit to get used to. Then of course when you're going faster, you want to put some lean into it. Push, lean, push, lean. Go. Push it on the left here, and I'm going. On the right, forward, around the turn. Okay, here comes our turn up here. This always has gravel and sand all over the frickin' road. Now you guys want me to pass this HTC truck. It's killing me not to. Bucket. Damn.